Have you ever imagined what a moose bear would look like? We asked artificial intelligence to create this image. And here are these images. It's not possible to cross a bear and a moose as they are two distinct species that belong to different taxonomic families. Bears belong to the family Ursidae, which includes species like grizzly bears, polar bears, and black bears. Moose, on the other hand, belong to the family Cervidae, which includes species like deer and elk. These images are a result of artificial intelligence and do not reflect any scientific or biological possibility. And here is the link to the next video, where you can see very unusual things. Thanks for watching.